Alright, today I have a package from Racingline. Where's my knife?
Let me do it.
Anyway, so let's have a look. Alright, so I have the Racingline intake. I have the hose that goes underneath it instead of on top, and then I've got the elbow connection as well. Let's have a look. Got them. So you got the actual filter. Oh Jesus Christ! It's a big boy. Receipt, don't need to worry about that. The actual intake, housing and lid, particles, and that's about it, I think. Oh, I might quickly fit it now, ready for Monday when I'm going to drop the car off. It's going to have the clutch done because the clutch is gone, it keeps slipping, and gonna go and get stage 2 APR put on. So we're going to go for the APR decap, APR inserts on the other bits and bobs, and then I've already got the Racingline turbo muffler delete and turbo elbow. So then we went with the Racingline air intake as well, with the extra hose and obviously the APR hose. But yeah, so I might fit that now. Need to change this one as well while I'm here. Where is he? Here. Change that so it goes underneath the intake and whack the rest of it in. Oh dear, I didn't think about that part, did I?
Okay.
Ah! Get on there, you fucking fuck. I can get on there as well. Get in there, you fuck. Why is it not getting in? There you go. Oh, Jesus. Right in there. Bam. 1, 2. There we go. Do these up. Clamp down the hose. Oh, and that should be all good in the hood, I believe. Start her up and make sure she's all good. Where's my keys? Can't tell me. Oh, too loud on the exhaust. Engine bay cover. Rocker cover back on, engine cover. Whatever we're gonna call it. There we go. Looks very smart. Looks good. So that's gonna do it for today. I'll do some sound tests once I put the standard exhaust back on because you can't hear anything. I am going to be putting that on very soon, as in like next couple of days. I shall see you in the next video. Hope you liked it today. I'm going to be going down Turner Race Developments Monday to get stage 2 done on the clutch fitted because it's slipping, like I said. But yeah, I shall see you in the next video.